We're out here in Dana Point, the ridge. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm not sure you can hear me very well. My phone's in a plastic bag. My dad, say hi, Dee. Wave. Wave. Yes, and then there we go. Beautiful. There's our kayaks. That's where we came here. Big one coming apparently. Alright, gonna need a speed. Here's a good one. We're taking video. This is gonna be a good one, he says. Wow, look at it go up. Isn't that neat? Little kayak out on those rocks looks fun. There's some guy over there is king of his rock. People could sit here and enjoy this. It's kind of a nifty little thing. Kind of want to come up here and bring a chair. Warned, it is really rocky. I don't know if you can see that or not. I can't see my screen, but it's pretty bad. But it's a good hike. So yeah, I recommend it to anyone. Dana Point, free, nice, relaxing entertainment. Look at that one. There he goes. Wow, look at it go. Ah, I got misted. Good thing my phone's on cover. Ooh, here's another good one. This is cool. Attempt to move here. We're still recording now.